Bye. Meow. So this is step 2 of this little sketch, and if you want to see step 1 that got me to this stage, you should be able to see it if you hover over the top right hand corner. You should see the link. So at this stage I am just kind of strengthening up the lines that I'm happy with. And I'm adding a hint of that other leg in there. It's hard to see in the photo. So I'm just kind of putting a hint of it. And this is a slow, touchy stage where I'm refining a lot, deciding what lines I want. Still the general shape of the cat, not a lot of detail because I've moved away from a style that involves a lot of detail, and I love it. It's so freeing. I aim for expression and character more than anything. Hints of what's important. Little suggestions of hair here and there. Little ear tufts. And the glove I'm wearing is just a cotton glove that you get from the drugstore, and I cut the thumb and the first 2 fingers off to help myself from not getting the oils from my hand on it, because then the paper doesn't take up the medium very well. You just don't want to drag your hand across the drawing with the glove, because then that's when it will smudge it. So fussy job here. The eyes are so important. I got those pupils over a little too far and not making the cat look where I wanted it to look. One step at a time. Easy does it, thinking about each stroke. Suggestions of hair now. Not sure I like that. It's a work in progress. But overall I'm liking this little drawing. It's kind of a fun pose. Yes, and don't forget to join our Facebook group. You will find the link for that group in the video description below. And we'd love to have you if you truly are passionate about drawing cats. Just getting a hint of those pupils in a little bit too much there, maybe. You got to really decide what lines are important to you, and it's different for everyone because we all have our own style. I've sped it up a little faster here now too. Give you the gist of it in a short period of time. Just hints of that bushy tail, that fluffy tail. And at this stage, each line that I strengthen up has a potential to either add a lot of expression or create too busy of a drawing, making it so the eye really doesn't know where to look. I love those lines beside the eyes. I really think they look like that makes the cat look like it's wearing glasses, and I love to play that up. It's fun. Now we're just going for a suggestion of the cat's markings. Maybe too much darkness in that nose. Oh yes, and don't forget to subscribe to Crazy Cat Artist. We'd love to have you help us be part of the community. Hit that little bell to remind you when there's a new video. And finishing touches here. The paw on our right hand side, so the cat's left paw, I feel like it's a little bit too small. Oh, I love that. Gave my kitty a nice little smirk. Yeah, and Easy does it on the eyes. And I just love that tabby, the classic tabby M on the forehead. You can really add a lot of expression using that. And Easy does it. There's actually a lot of markings on this cat in the photo, but I'm choosing carefully and just using the ones that will aid the drawing in being an awesome drawing. I like that smile even better now. Had a bit too much in the way of lines there and in the wrong places, so fixed them up. This helps the drawing pop. And it's just a sketch. I can only go so far on this sketchbook paper, but it's a really good warm-up for when I do a good one. Well, I mean, not that this one isn't good, on good artist paper. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, join our Facebook group. You'll find some other handy links in the comments or in the description below. See you next time.